Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to effectively use Shopify with Facebook and Instagram ads to boost your online store. First ensure your Shopify store is set up with your products and branding. If you haven't done this, now go to your Shopify dashboard and click Settings. Then select Apps and Sales Channel to add Facebook. Follow the prompts to link your Facebook business account. After linking your account, Shopify will create a Facebook catalog for your products. This catalog is essential for running ads on Facebook and Instagram. Head over to Facebook Ads Manager, click on Create Ad and select your campaign objective, such as traffic or conversions. Make sure to choose your Shopify catalog for product ads. Design your ad, choose eye-catching visuals, write compelling copy, and add a clear call to action. Remember to select your target audience based on demographics and interests. Once your ads are live, monitor their performance through Facebook Ad Manager. Analyze metrics like clicks, conversions, and return on ad spend to optimize your campaigns.
Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tutorials. See you next time.